Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you something interesting. It's Happy New Year first of all, and I'm gonna share with you this amazing platform and feature Learn AI. This is from this my Tuli. Okay, this is my Tuli. What's it? You can come and search Tuli, so you can visit this website. Just come and search Tuli, so you can come here. So this is my Tuli website, and here I add this Learn AI. This is the most important thing that I create today. Okay, this is the how structure without coding. How can you learn AI? This is detailed learning path. So before using AI to understand what happened behind the scene. So if you want to understand what is AI, ML, deep learning, history of AI, type of AI, everything, here the resource. Everything assured. You just need to learn and visualization. Here the YouTube channel if you understand. And here the resource course. Website you want to beginner. Okay, here. And here the checklist. You just need to complete one course and complete this, and then this is tax your get head and experience every popular AI tool. Try to explore every AI tool. I see. Chatbot, try to this. Also I share link free paid both paid Midjourney here everything. This for video, video audio AI writing and productive AI free resource if you want to learn here. Weekly check. Okay, check. So here is the state 3. Here you learn master the prompt and AI workflow. Here is the prompt role if you want to general talks, role tags format if you want to complex tasks. Here if you want to content creation tasks, detail output, quick output tasks. Here everything for analyze, for learning, short, step by step. You can do that, and you can also do that. Content AI. Here the workflow. How can build learning prompt. Here the resource all AI specialist if you want to AI specialist marketing AI. Here if you want to marketing department using AI creative marketing HR skill base AI copywriting AI art AI design AI video everything here. Advanced AI using go ahead basic and powerful if you want to do ChatGPT browsing and tools data analyst AI data analyst without coding AI bias and safety. If you also need to know about this OpenAI guide, AI ethics course, I really love this. You can come here. AI expert. Now, if you want to AI expert, take here the AI expert, writing blog, video tutorial for if you want to write your personal site. Also, you can create and video to YouTube online course. After that, building your AI personal brand. Define your niche. What industry do you know? What AI tools are you best at? And find out on AI podcast. If you want to listen podcast, here come and video AI podcast YouTube channel. You should need to follow and earn free certificate. AI fundamental. If Microsoft AI prompt engineer AI. Here you just come and visit, and you can find it. And here the free course if you want to learn. Here free tool everything here, and here AI subscription. I also share this. I think that's gonna be help you. And a book if you want to read some book like 3 rounds AI. If you watch, then you can weekly study structure here. And quick action this week past course hands-on. This is a common question. Do I need to learn coding? This is no. How would it take? It's around 6 months. It depends on your progress. You might need to pay for tool. Is the free version. Which AI tool should I start with? ChatGPT free version. Can I skip stage? Not recommendation. How do I know if I'm progressing? Using checklist. Okay, using checklist. Then final message. So here everything you can come and explore. That's it, and I hope you love that. It's really enjoyable. Okay, bye guys.